Hello friends, so let us today we discuss about one of the applications of derivative, which is to find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Here we consider one example, which is to find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. The curve is given 2x square minus xy plus 3y square is equal to 18 at a given point 3 and 1. So we should consider first the given curve, which is 2x square minus xy plus 3y square equal to 18. I have assigned equation 1 for this curve. So to find tangent normal, we require to find out derivative of given function. So we differentiate the given curve with respect to x. So derivative of d by dx of 2x square minus xy plus 3y square equal to d by dx of 18. Since by applying properties of derivative, 2 can be taken outside, derivative of x square minus derivative of xy plus 3 times derivative of y square equal to derivative of 18 is equal to 0. Now x square's derivative is 2x, so total value is 4x. Here you have to apply u into v rule of derivative to find differentiation of x into y. So x derivative of y is we consider dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus 3, since y square is a function of y and y is function of x, so our derivative of y square is 2y first and then into dy by dx by using chain rule of differentiation is equal to 0, to be equal to 4x minus x dy by dx plus y plus 6y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now we consider the term containing dy by dx and collect dy by dx from these two terms. So this 6y minus x dy by dx is equal to the remaining term can be taken other side, it will be minus 4x minus y. So we will write dy by dx as minus 4x minus y, that is minus take common 4x plus y divided by this total term 6y minus x. So our derivative of given function is dy by dx to be equal to 4x plus y upon x minus 6y. Now to find slope of tangent of a given curve, we will substitute in the dy by dx value of that point p x y which is given in question. So that is, we suppose m. So value of m is equal to dy by dx at a given point. So that we will calculate dy by dx at a given point as 4x plus y divided by x minus 6y at a given point 3 1. So simply substituting this, it will be 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 6 into 1. So x is 3, y is 1. We substituted here in this polynomial division. So we will get answer 13 divided by minus. The result is minus 13 by 3 is the slope of tangent. So we get slope of tangent is m is minus 13 by 3. So by using now slope point form of a straight line, the equation of tangent to the curve is we obtain as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the formula of slope point form for us to write the equation of straight line. So we substitute m is equal to minus 13 by 3 and x1 y1 is to be equal to 3 and 1. We will get y minus 1 is equal to minus 13 by 3 into x minus 3. Therefore 3 into y minus 1 is equal to minus 13. This 3 taken into other side in the multiplication. So simplifying this, we will get the equation of tangent is 13x plus 3y minus 42 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent. Similarly, we can write equation of normal. As you know, the normal is again perpendicular to tangent and which is a straight line. So by using the formula of two perpendicular lines, their slopes, product of their slope is minus 1. So we will get slope of normal is minus 1 by m. So we will replace in the given formula y minus y1 is equal to m by minus 1 by m, x minus x1, it will be equation of normal. And substituting values of x1, y1 and m, and this y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 13 by 3 into x minus 3, and simplifying this, y minus 1 is equal to, now minus will be cancelled, 3 by 13 x minus 3. So that is to be equal to 13, y minus 1 equal to 3 x minus 3. Therefore 13y minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 9. That is 3x minus 13y plus 4 equal to 0. This is again the required equation of normal to the given. This is the way we can calculate the equation of tangent and normal to the given curve by using derivative concept.